Dude, that was insane. There she is. Good afternoon. She needs a bath. Don't judge me too hard. It's been raining the past couple days, so I haven't been able to ride, but she's still looking good. Ready for that cold start. That extra cold start. It's so quiet. That's so funny. Let's go put this tarp away real quick. Dude, look at the headlights on that thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I'm gonna need to stop for gas, it looks like. Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the WheELIES channel. Today, I'm taking my bike to go see my buddy. We started some work on his R6 last night to change his sprockets and his chain, and he's actually getting one down on his front sprocket, so he's going one less tooth on his front sprocket, kind of like I did, except I also went one tooth up on my rear sprocket. So on his bike, he's gonna have a little bit more low end torque, and since it's a 600, it could definitely use some. It is an R6, so it's still, you know, fast from factory, but now he's gonna have a little bit more oomph down low. So we pretty much got everything done. He just had to pick up one little part because he didn't have a rivet tool, so he just went to the store and grabbed a new master link that has a clip. So we actually don't really have a whole lot to do. I haven't ridden this bike in a fat minute. It's gonna feel so nice. I could have gone, dude. I'm used to my Civic not being able to take its place in traffic because it's so freaking slow, dude. Oh yes! It was supposed to rain all day today, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So I had to take the bike out. Gotta get some heat in these tires, get some heat in the engine. Yeah, let's go this way. Why not? That's a cop up there, I think, so I'm gonna slow the frick down, dude. But guys, just so you all know, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, which by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, Instagram's pretty easy to find. It's just willysendit. I'll put the little tag right here, so if you want to see. But I have a PC that I'm going to pick up from my buddy up north that he sold me for a really good deal. And because right now I edit all my videos on a MacBook Pro, and it does the job. It doesn't do it well. It struggles. I decided to get something with a little bit more oomph. I'm probably going to be waiting to do most of my editing until I get that. That way I can, you know, bring out the highest quality videos for you guys. I really want to get a quick shifter for this bike. I feel like that would be really sick. Wow, I cannot believe it was supposed to rain all day today, and it is absolutely gorgeous outside. Even the freaking temperature is like... It's a little windy. Slightly windy.
Hit it for the one time, then I did fast, going 60 in a one-way. Time I passed, got a cop in the rear view, screaming in cap, said stop, I can hear you, did another lap. Big boy backpack, stuff for the big gas, stuff for the big wreck, stay 10 toes. Wanna be a rock star, I ain't sing for a hoe, yeah she says she rock hard while swinging on poles. Packed on a Wednesday, packed on a Thursday, I'm VIP, I'm selling out shows. Really be LO, find out who knows, living in a movie called G.I. Joe. Packed on a Wednesday, packed on a Thursday, I'm VIP, I'm selling out shows. Really be LO, find out who knows, living in a movie called G.I. Joe. Mad you can't do this, you say that it's bad, but you know what the truth is, yeah. Ain't no take backs like you do this, you ain't seen a rock where you do this.
Alright guys, we just got Kyle's sprocket and chain and all that all set up. In fact, he was first out of the driveway, so I'm going to catch up with him right now. There he is. Hi! Now we're going to see how she runs, how much different it is. Hopefully I don't run out of gas on the way there. Is it faster, bro? Can you tell? Go for it. Any difference? Go down to first and just give her one good first gear pull. She sounds good. Oh, it's so expensive here. What the f? Excuse my language. It's time to get gas. Yes, time to fill up. Okay. Is that the sound that your bike makes? Hi, look. Hi. Ezekiel. Give me a good flyby
Wanna kick
here,
back
bro.
in St. Louis, but you can't do that cause you shoeless, yeah. I'ma be wearing that Louis, you gon' be wearing that Louis, yeah. Did it for the one time, then I did fast, going 60 in a one-way. Time I passed, got a cop in the rear view, screaming 8 caps, said stop, I can hear you, did another lap. Big boy backpack, stuff for the big gas, stuff for the big wreck, stay 10 toes, wanna be a rock star, I ain't sing.
Yeah, take your phone. That way I can see more on the camera anyways. Hi, BB Yoda, hi! I'm just gonna like throw my leg all sexy like. Oh my god, I'm so short. Which way are we going? Okay. Woo! Yeah, that's got a little more oomph, my friend. It feels good. It feels really good. I'll give this guy a good flyby here. I'm having too much fun on your bike, man. Dude, it power wheelies in second. I just power wheelied it in second. Wow, dude. I'm impressed. Elmo's World. Neutral. Kickstand. 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 Oh my lord. Oh, I'm sorry, Yoda. I just kicked him in the head. That's pretty comfy up here, dude. I can't lie. Wait, hold on. I'll throw it to you. Ready? 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 It's a V6, which means it's slow. Ugh. Ugh. Just a bunch of goons out on their bikes. I don't know how to ride a bike. Can you teach me? Go for it, Eddie. Let's go.
Packed on a Wednesday, packed on a Thursday. I'm VIP. I'm selling out shows. Willie be LO. Find out who knows. Living in a movie called G.I. Joe. I don't know why. Used to be hitting my line. Left you on red about 400 times. Shorty a shooter. She got a criminal mind. Shorty committing these crimes. These haters are broke because I don't pay them no mind. I am just like Betty. I can see through my left eye.
I'm about to do that wheelie right about.
Did it for the one time, then I did fast, going 60 in a one-way. Time I passed, got a cop in the rear view, screaming in cap, said stop, I can hear you. Did another lap. Big boy backpack stuff with the big gas stuff with the big wreck. Stay 10 toes, wanna be a rock star. I ain't sing for a hoe, yeah she say she rock hard while swinging on poles.